In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Iconify Figma plugin. Iconify is a powerful way to browse thousands of icons directly inside Figma without leaving your canvas. It helps you move faster, keep your visuals consistent, and maintain a clean, scalable workflow for any design system or one-off mockup. Start by opening the Figma design file where you want to place your icons. With your file ready, open the plugin launcher by pressing Ctrl and the / key. This brings up the quick search box. Type Iconify and run the plugin. You'll see the Iconify panel appear, giving you a familiar search interface with results organized by icon sets and styles. Use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Short, general keywords work best. Try simple terms like menu, user, or search. You'll notice multiple versions of similar icons across different sets, which is great for matching your project's tone, whether you want a sharp, outlined look or a rounded, filled style. If your first search is too broad, refine it with a more specific word to narrow the results. Before importing, take a moment to customize. Most icons in Iconify are vector-based, so you can adjust color and size right inside the plugin preview. Set a brand color or neutral gray for flexibility, and choose a size that matches your layout scale, keeping consistent sizes like 1620 or 20. 4 pixels makes your interface feel balanced and helps align with common spacing tokens. When you are ready, bring the icon into your file. You can click an icon to import it as a frame or component, depending on how you plan to use it, or simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. Imported icons behave like any vector in Figma, so you can reposition, resize, and tweak them as needed. If you plan to reuse an icon across multiple screens, consider promoting it to a component right away so you can update it once and keep everything in sync. One small but handy detail: Iconify remembers the last page you were on. That means when you reopen the plugin, you'll pick up right where you left off, whether that's a particular icon set or a specific search. It's a subtle time saver that adds up when you are iterating quickly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.